Hey, what's up, geeks? This is your boy Darron Brown, your instructor for GeekMODE School of React Native. And in this video, we're going to tackle the birthday cake candles algorithm. Now, this is an easy one, a beginner algorithm. So if you guys are better than a beginner, just chill out. I'll address some of those algorithms down the road. But for right now, I want to address people who are new to mobile development, new to coding in general, and they're just trying to understand algorithms. Because I know when I first started, I had a lot of trouble figuring it out. So, yeah, anyways, let's get into it. So, what this is basically asking us is saying that this the niece is 4 years old and she can only blow out candles that have the highest value number. And as you can see in this array, there's the highest number is 4. You see 4 twice. So she can blow out 2 candles. So basically, we have to create an algorithm that represents that. As you can see, this might be hard to read, but basically, what this is saying is that our array length is 4, and these are the values of our array. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, go to my text editor, and as you can see, I have those values in the array. So I want you guys to make sure your screen is identical to mine. And once again, if you see me looking back and forth, that's because I already complete this problem. So I want to make sure that I don't make any mistakes. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna create a variable titled highest candle. All right. We're going to set it equal to math.max. And we're going to use our spread operator, which copies everything in our array. It copies everything in the array, and it makes sure that we don't make any kind of changes to our array. So that's basically what the spread operator does. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to console log our highest candle. Now I'm going to save this. Hey, what's up, guys? Darron Brown here. I just wanted to remind you, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the website www.geekmode.tech. There you can learn more about React Native, Firebase, and Redux. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our free course as well. I'm sure you enjoy it. Now, that's enough of me, and I'll let you guys get back to the video. And check it out. Keep getting this. So I'm going to run this, and then we're going to grab our birthday candles. As you can see, the highest candle was 3, which is what we expected to see. So I'm going to create some logic to handle the highest candle. And to do that, we're going to create a variable titled let match num. We're going to set this equal to our array dot filter. And once again, filter is a built-in function by JavaScript that allows us to process every value within that array and see which one of those values meet our condition. Now we have yet to state what that condition actually is. This will make a lot of sense in a few seconds. So we're going to create a number parameter, right? And we're going to make sure our number within our filter is equal to our highest number, our highest candle. Now we're going to return our match num dot length. Okay, let's make sure I return this as well. Take this out. And now let's copy our code, return a hacker rank. And that's exactly what we expected, because the highest value is 3. We see that it hits 3 twice, and we want to get back the length of 2. So let's turn back to here. As you can see, our match num, when it filters through, we want to see how many times this condition is met, and that condition is met twice where we hit the highest candle. All right, so that's why we're getting the value as 2. Now, you guys have any trouble understanding how this works, just feel free to reach out to me. And for those of you guys who are interested in React Native or any kind of mobile development, take a look at the advertisement that's coming up after this this algorithm. So anyways, catch you guys in the next video. Peace.